Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be showing us how I created this wing cut crease inspired look. So if you are new to my channel, this is Priceless Clean Makeover, your one-stop beauty blog. And if this is what you're interested in watching, kindly watch to the end. To my old subscribers, you guys already know I love you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being my family here. All right, let's get right into it. So this is my birthday client and she is excited about her glam. She chose this style and showed me on her phone, and so we are getting right into it. So first thing I did is to clean her face thoroughly to remove dirt and oil from her face with my micellar water and a face wipe. After that, I move into the skin prep properly. I use my hydrating spray to spray on the face. Then I apply lip balm to moisturize the lip, and then I am applying my all-time favorite skin hydrator, my Dr. Rashell vitamin C serum. I'll be tapping that into the skin and making sure every product I apply dries first before I apply the other. Next thing I'm applying is my Sod Cream moisturizer, and I'm spraying it on the face, making sure I chose my under eye as the area of concentration because that is the best place to apply moisturizer. And after that, I will be applying my Adventure Sweat Block on her T-zone area. Next, I will apply my RIMMEL Stay Matte Primer on the face, everywhere on the face except on the under eye. So the difference is that moisturizer you apply on the under eye and the primer you avoid the under eye. After that, I will spray to lock in the skin prep product in and then allow them to dry. And after it dries, I'll be applying my foundation all over the face. For this foundation, I'm mixing my V Beauty foundation together, two shades. I showed you the shade I use already, and I'll be listing them on the description box, so don't worry, check my description box at the end of the video and you'll see every product I use. Then after spreading it on the face, I will make sure to use my beauty sponge to damp it into the skin, blending, and a little will go a long way. After that, I'll use a darker shade, two shade darker foundation to do my contour. For the contour, I am applying it below the cheekbone and then blending it all the way up, so if you know what I mean. So you don't blend contour steady in that same position you applied it, rather you blend your way up from the chin bone to your forehead. So after that, I will be applying my cream blush using a red shade from my lip palette to do the cream blush. That blush is falling on the chin bone, directly on the chin bone, not under, but a little bit above and on the chin bone, if you can see what I'm doing. So I apply it and I blend it in with my beauty sponge. This cream blush as a matter of fact, you don't have to blend it like contour, like I mean all the way to the forehead, no, but you blend it in the chin, on the chin bone directly, and then make sure it is properly blended. After that, I'll be doing my nose contour. For the nose contour, I am using the same shade of foundation shade I use for the cheek contour. I use the same for the nose contour because contour is contour, whether it is nose contour or cheek contour, they have to be same thing. So I blended it in, and then I am going over to doing my highlight. Remember, before now, or normal people, normal makeup artists will just do their highlighting before their nose contour or cheek contour, but I'm doing my contour and blush first before my highlighting. So what I did is to use my Spotless Pro concealer, two shades of them, to apply on the forehead, the jaw, bridge of the nose, under eye, and the cupid bow, and then I blend it in seamlessly. A little goes a long way when you're applying any cream products, any product at all, so that you achieve that weightless makeup and flawless makeup look. So after that, I will be using my RCMA setting powder. Is a white setting powder, a very good setting powder at that, to preset this face. Yes, I am presetting all areas I highlighted. So this is it. Just watch as I am doing it. I use the beauty sponge, take a little quantity, make sure I remove excess powder, and then apply it by tapping. I damp it in, and then after that I will use my Becham powder palette, shades from Becham powder palette to do the back the rest of the face. Sorry, look at the way I am doing it. Then after packing the rest of the face, I will also use a contour shade to also preset my contour areas. I will do the cheek contour, and then I will also do the nose contour respectively. Then after that, next thing I'll be doing is to dry the nose contour. As I have said already, I use my angle brush to do that so that it comes out seamlessly. So the reason why you must do this is that every liquid you apply must be dry. That is the rule of makeup. Then after that, I spray or fizz the makeup with my hydrating Kiss Beauty Fizz spray, and then I go into setting properly. Now this time around, I will also be doing my reverse contours. I will lift the nose and also lift the cheek. Those are called reverse contour. So after that, I will also make sure to reset the highlighted areas again to make the face pop out well. The reason why I spread and fizz the makeup that time is to reduce powdery effect. That is very necessary also, because it will help the makeup also to stay very well and last longer. Next thing I'm doing is my cut crease eye look, and for that I'll be using a smaller brush to map out the cut crease line and to blend out my transition areas. And for that I use my brown shade of eyeshadow from my Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette, and so I'll be cutting my crease afterwards. To cut the crease, I'll be using my Beneclan white eyeshadow base for that, and I will be tracing the eyelid from the inner corner to the outer corner and then winging it out. To achieve a flawless cut crease eye look, you have to apply or cut your crease with a very flat brush. You can use a concealer brush or customize a very flat brush for this, and so I am using my concealer brush from Julie Diamonds to cut my crease. And you have to blend it in, making sure that the eyeshadow base you are using is well blended in. And after that, I'm using my eyeshadow blending brush to pack in the yellow color I am using, and the areas that the brush could not get, I am using a flat mounted brush, as you can see, to blend my colors in. And then after that, I'll do the same thing on the other eyelid. Just watch as I am doing it here. And so this is how the cut crease is looking at the end of it. It's giving, right? So after that, next thing I'll be doing is to move over to brows application, and for the brows I will be laying it down with my Eco Styling hair wash. And if you don't have a brow tamer, you can use any hair wash of your choice. So I use my Eco Styling gel for that, and after that I use the remaining setting powder on my beauty sponge to damp out any creasing or oil from the edge control I use. So after that, I'll be mixing my black and brown carrot gel liner together. Sorry, that's a Million Pauline gel liner together to outline my brows. So I just outline my brows and I'm stroking it with my Davis eye pencil, filling it in to make sure it's looking natural. And after that, I will be concealing the brows using my Spotless Pro concealer, the lightest shade I used when I was doing my highlight, to highlight and define the brows, just as I am doing it here. I use my flat brush for brow concealing to do that, and then I use a blending brush to blend that out and to remove harsh line from the cut crease eyeshadow I did. And the next thing I did was to outline the eyelid. Like, I applied eyeliner. I did that off camera, but I used my black Million Pauline gel liner, and then I applied mascara on the upper and lower lashes to prepare her lash for false eyelashes I will be fixing. So after that, I use my powder brush to dust off the setting powders on the lip area and then move over to lip application. Then I first of all prep the lip using my Spotless Pro concealer to as a base for the lip, and then I'll be using my Avour lip stains. First of all, I applied orange color and then a baby pink on the lip, and then I'm using my coffee to outline the lip, upper and the lower lip. I blend that out, and then it wasn't giving what I wanted. Then I had to choose the baby pink for the lower lip and blend that out. Then I fixed her lashes, and then this is how it is looking, guys. The lip is giving, right? At this point, if you have watched up to this moment, kindly subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know what you think about this look on the comment section. What do you think about the wing out cut crease, the brows, the lip, the skin work? Let me know on the comment section. And like I've promised, I'll be listing the products I use and the description box. And if there is anything you don't understand from the look, kindly let me know on the comment section as well, and I will be replying. So guys, what I'm doing now is it's called finishing, and for that I am using my Melanin powder in the shade of, okay, I'll be listing. And then I use my medium brush to go into the corners my big brush cannot go in, and then remove the remaining setting powders on the face. And after that, I will be spraying and fixing the makeup generously. You have to do this generously. So while spraying my Kiss Beauty spray, you see the way I use my hand to cover the eyes. It does two things: for the eyeshadow not to break, to avoid irritants on the eyes, so I have to cover the eyes. Then after that, I will be applying my CPD brush on the cheek to add warmth to the cheek and to make that cheek pop. And once that is done, I'll be applying my Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty on the highlighted areas like the jaw, the above the cheekbone, and the bridge of the nose and forehead to make the face glow. That is very vital. You see the way it is glowing already. So I will apply and blend out evenly, making sure my finishing is flawless. This is very vital, and you don't have to do too much for the face to glow and pop. So guys, this is the look at the end of the whole thing. What do you think about this look? Will you be trying it? The cut crease especially, because my client chose this look. She saw it somewhere and then she show it to me that is what she wanted for her birthday glam. And tell me, did I deliver or not? This is the final look. She loved her look. She loved her makeup. The eye look is giving, the lip, the skin work. Voila, this was her final look after she wore her wig, and I must say I love it. Let me know what you think about this look. And also, this is Priceless Clean Makeover, your bridal makeup artist, your hairstylist and bridal hairstylist. Let me know if you'll be trying this look on the comment section. How did I do, guys? Rate this look, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share this video for more people to engage. I also want to use this medium to tell you about our business/shop opening anniversary that is coming up this June, next month, June. The promo physical training will be happening live at my studio, and the price is mouth-watering, so you can't afford to miss this. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in Abia State precisely, do well to check out Priceless Clean Makeover. Register and be part of this mouth-watering promo anniversary training. It's going to be bomb. All right, bye guys, and see you in my next video. I love you.